Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer Matic from Exmo to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securing your assets on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to protect against hacks and losses. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips like this. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an Exmo account with Matic in it, your Ledger Nano X device fully set up and updated, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. Oh, and always double check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked, safety first. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Exmo account and log in securely. Navigate to your wallet section and select Matic. You'll need to generate a withdrawal or transfer request. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app since Matic runs on the Ethereum network. Remember, Matic is the native token of the Polygon network, so ensure your Ledger is configured correctly. Once that's done, go to the Accounts section in Ledger Live to copy your receiving address. This is crucial. Never manually type it. Copy and paste to avoid errors. Step 3. Back in Exmo, paste that Ledger address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Matic you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network. Make sure it's set to Ethereum or Polygon as required. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and confirm the withdrawal. Step 4. On your Ledger device, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Carefully verify the details on the screen and approve the transaction using your device's buttons. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Ledger Live to confirm your Matic has arrived. Awesome job! Always remember to use two-factor authentication and keep your private keys offline. If you run into any issues, check the official Ledger or Exmo support pages. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you have more crypto questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.